These are universal 5-lug hub spacers from O'Reilly, Dorman brand. Since they're universal, they're kind of hard to get centered up before you put the wheel on. You really need to get them centered up on your lug pattern so that they don't cause any vibration. And if you just put them on, there's a lot of slack. Okay, but you cut yourself some little sections of hose the right length. You can slide them on top of the hose. You gotta get the right size hose. I think it's 3/4 outside diameter. And see, now it has taken up the slack inside the slots. There's a little bit of play to be centered there that I'll have to adjust out of it when I put the wheel on, but for the most part it holds it very central to your hub just by taking up the slack in those slots. Pull it off, you can see how it just drops down. No longer centered at all. Really hard to get centered while you're trying to put the wheel on. So cut yourself some rubber hose, get it to fit, gets it centered up pretty darn good. I don't think that's going to cause a problem until I get the right size bearing or right size spacers.